Clean girl is out, mob wife era is in.
Okay, I'm here. I've been summoned. The resident CEO of the mob wife aesthetic is here, rest assured. And you know what, guys? I'm here for the people. I am here to help usher you girlies into this new era of the mob wife aesthetic. I have been in
Hello. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're new here, I hope you like my vibe. Maybe subscribe to my channel. I like to make videos about beauty, fashion, and also some philosophical if you're into that as well. Just a few days into 2024, TikTok content creators announced the demise of minimalist trends and the rise of mob wife aesthetic trends. Video boldly declared the era of clean girl is over. It's time for the mob wife aesthetic to shine, heralding the emergence of fresh style aesthetic that quickly gained traction across various online platforms. So what is mob wife and where did this trend come from? If you came here only solely for the outfits, I've created timestamps and you can directly go to the outfits. Anywho, let's get into it. What is mob wife? If you're left wondering about the essence of the mob wife aesthetics, you're not the only one pondering. While it may raise eyebrows given its association with organized crime, the term hints at a trend that incorporates elements reminiscent of the romanticized portrayals of mobster partners found in popular culture, but with a playful twist. So what is the basic for the mob wife? Well, begin by assembling an ensemble entire composed of black attire. If you appear as though you attended a funeral, you're on the right track. Then delve into your mother's vintage fur jacket from the 1980s. Nothing quite captured the essence of the golden age of mob like a jacket that has weathered the passage of time right alongside it. Basically, to look like a mob wife, the basic idea is just wearing a fur coat, real or faux, over a black clothes, a black dress, or a nice black suit. But those who love the style say it's not just about what you wear, it's all about how you carry yourself. It's all about expression, confidence, and being fearless. So where is this coming from? Where did this mob wife trend stem from? Well, when it comes to The Sopranos, many users on the app suspect that the trend was intentionally sparked by HBO to align with the extensive promotional campaign for the 25th anniversary of the show's premiere. In a statement, HBO spokesman Jason Mulderig referred to the trend as a tribute of The Sopranos and its lasting influence on culture, but stopped short of admitting to its orchestration. So the question is, why has this become a viral phenomenon? In essence, the trend simply involves embracing an exaggerated interpretation of styles that are not only embraced by the mainstream, but are sometimes even hailed as the epitome of high fashion, explains Rebecca Bauman, PhD Associate Professor of an Italian at the Fashion Institute of Technology. Bauman, who previously delved into the importance of mafia-inspired fashion in popular culture in 2022, notes fashion houses rooted in southern Italian aesthetic like Versace and Dolce & Gabbana utilizes materials, patterns, and silhouettes that align well with the mob wife aesthetic. But you still might ask yourself, how did this particular style become linked to the mob wife then? Well, most of them would say that the lifestyle and attire of gang members serve as a symbol of manifestation of power. So is there a deeper meaning to this style? Similar to the clean girl and the stealth wealth aesthetics, the mob wife style highlights overt symbols of affluence. But in this case, it's associated with those typically linked to newly rich, particularly those whose riches were acquired through illicit means. In many widely known portrayals, ranging from The Sopranos to depiction of artists like Lil' Kim, even when the mob wife holds power of her own, she often serves as an accessory to a more dominant man. Her allure, beauty, and fashion reflecting his authority back to him. The intriguing aspect of mob wife lies in what she does or does not comprehend about her own situation, adding to her dramatic allure. Is she oblivious? lacking any genuine influence in her husband's illicit affair? Or is she shrewd, turning a blind eye while indulging in his wealth? Nevertheless, in exchange for her silence, she gains access to a life of luxury, often symbolized by her own shopping sprees. If you reached this far, thank you so much for watching. And if it gave you any value, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, please give me subscribe to my channel. Be very helpful. And let me know, what do you guys think about this mob wife aesthetic, and will you guys be trying one of these outfits? Please leave a comment, and if you like this video, you'll probably like these as well. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.